took it hard. It's again not a really big fish, but there he comes. Whew. All right. Okay. Wow. All right. Baby can go. Thank you very much. You gave me my energy a little bit back, and I lost some as well. Bye bye. Awesome. Is that the seagull?
Yeah.
Really?
Call.
Bella! Bella, Bella, Bella! Bella, Bella, Bella! That's really cool. Woo, woo! Bella! Bella, Bella! What?
Oh.
So this is the seagull that's at the camp. And we feed them usually, her. Now she found us. Really cool. Let's see if we can catch something.
Dia pindah. Up to you to the break.
Alright, there we go, first cast.
Oh, anginnya. Oh. Iya. Ada? Berapa kalau monster? Boleh juga.
Out of nowhere. All right, there we go. Finally. Woo! Yeah, I need to be really careful. All right.
Watch out.
Yes.
Yeah, better. Yeah, better.
Can you help me with the fighting belt, maybe?
Yeah. Camera off.
Yo. All right, thank you.
Get it.
All right. Woo!
Now you wake up.
Finally fish. He's already in the surface over there. It's not huge, but a nice fish, finally. He acted like he was way bigger. I really thought he was bigger, man. What the hell? Whew. Wow. Still really nice fish.
Careful, just one hook.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see if I can land this one.
Only one hook. Careful.
All right. Woo! Finally. Took a long time to catch a fish today. Unhook it quickly.
You see?
Perfect.
Yeah.
Well, it's not a monster. One sec.
Kepala boleh gini dikit. Biar tidak backlight. Ya, geser gini dikit. Roll, it's roll.
It's not a monster, but it's a nice start of the day. Finally. Whew. Took some time. Whoa. I'll throw it back. Wow, awesome. All right, this baby can go. Thank you very much. You gave me my energy a little bit back, and I lost some as well.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Awesome. Wow.
Mau.
I don't feel very fit today. Took some rest, now we're on popping. Finally a fish. Let's try again, maybe we can catch a bigger one. Is that the seagull?
Ya.
Really?
Yang dia arus,
Call.
main di arus.
Bella! Bella, bella, bella!
Bela.
Bella, bella, bella! That's really cool. Woo woo! Bella! Bella, Bella! What?
Oh.
So this is the seagull that's at the camp. And we feed them usually, her. Now she found us. Really cool.
Right one.
Whoa, fish, small one. Oh, it came off. That was very small. Whew. Whoa, look here down. So many crazy bluefish. Don't know if you can see them on the GoPro, but wow.
Left, left.
Yes! Whoa! He took it hard. It's again not a really big fish, but he's coming towards me as well. There it goes. Okay. Going to the left, to the reef. Gotta be really careful that he's not reefing me. Okay.
Auto.
No, it's okay. Don't need it. There he comes. Okay, almost here. I think this one is a little smaller than the one I just got. All right.
Black GT.
Yeah, he's dark. Oh, sick. Okay. Let's see if I can land it. He's trying to dive. Okay. Yes. Wow.
Kepala sana.
Black GT. There we go. Black GT. Sick. That is really, really cool. He's not super black, but he's pretty dark already. Wow. Beautiful.
How the power?
Beautiful,
different?
beautiful.
How the different power black GT and white?
I think same.
Same?
Yeah, power was... I mean, this one is a little bit smaller than the one I just caught. They felt pretty similar for strength. Awesome. Let's make a few pictures with this one.
Okay, hold on like this.
Yes. (24mm) f4.
Yeah. Focus on the eye.
Yeah.
Dua. Focus on the eye. Dua. Once more. Once more. Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Video.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right. Well, look at. Okay. Mr. GT. Thank you very much. Woo! Awesome. Oh, look, it's swimming over there. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, yeah, it's gone now. Woo! All right. It was really nice because I was casting that direction, not really looking behind me. And Mike said, "Do you see the current over there on the left?" So I made a cast to it, immediately strike. Crazy. Awesome. Woo! All right.
Okay. Mantap.
Mantap.
They say and the forest water like more green than blue. That's good.
Yeah.
Not really clear.
Yeah.
So like people
Yeah, they don't have the time to look at it. Yeah, they just have to grab it. And we have a lot of action. I mean, we have the bow harvest now, but I missed it. Then another fish that almost took it, or that took it, but I missed it as well. And now the GT. Okay, we're gonna start fishing. We're a little bit further in the canal. Opening is over there. Oh, Bet wants us to start fishing here already. And I'm starting off now with a different rod that I'm used to fish with. This is the rod from the company that Mike works with, Jack's Fishing, Dex Fish. Sorry. This is the rod of the company that Mike fishes with, and that's Jack's Fishing.
Jack Fishing.
Jesus, I'm really bad at names.
Jack Fishing.
Yeah. I'm starting off with the rod now from Mike. This is a rod that from the company that Mike fishes with. It's called Jack's Fishing, and he wants me to give a review about the rod. So let's give it a try. And let's see if I can fish with my finger. Well, at least there's a lot of fish showing right now. Hopefully also big GT. So that's what we need. Back way?
Ada apa? Sampah. Sana.
Yeah. GoPro, start recording. Opa! Yes, finally. First fish, small GT. Opa! The rod is so different from the one that I have, but it drills really nicely. It's more absorbing the shocks of the fish. Now it's a small fish, but still it's fights nicely. Nice rain.
Still far?
No, it's almost here, I think. This is color, but the water is also a little bit more murky. There he comes. See color. Come on, GT. He's going under the boat.
Ya lumayan.
There he is. First fish. Awesome. Woo. All right, perfectly hooked. Let's see if I can land the fish with one finger less. I'll be fine, I think. Just open the bill if anything goes wrong. Yeah. Opa. All right. First GT of the day. Didn't take long. GoPro, stop recording. Yeah. Didn't take long at all. Awesome. Beautiful fish. Not very big, but also not a small one. Awesome fish. Not a huge one, but still a nice way to start the day. Took the big jackfin popper. And now I finally caught a fish on the Jack's fishing rod. I like it. It's a really nice rod. A little bit softer in action than the one I have, which fights quite pleasantly, so that's really good. All right, I'll unhook this one. All right. Oh, I have the line. Oh. Yes. All right, thank you very much. Woo! All right, awesome. Let's catch another one. Thank you. Oh, he's just chilling over there. He doesn't want to go. Crazy.
He said thank you.
He said thank you for showing my passionate love for the fish with a hook in its mouth. Yeah. Okay. Well, rod is approved. I'll try to catch another one with it. And the popper is also approved, of course, but you guys already know that. Great popper. All right. Awesome. Opa.
Wow, pelangi.
Cast to the rainbow.
Awesome.
If I now catch this fish, the biggest one, that would be incredible. Okay. Let it cast to the rainbow.
Is there any song with title Cast to the Rainbow? No, yeah.
No, it's a song we need to make. You said you wanted to make a song, right?
Yeah. Fuck mosquitoes.
Oh yeah, about the mosquitoes.
But mosquitoes.
So we have a mosquito song, but we do it like maybe the verbs are like something like that. And then we have the rainbow. But maybe we can base it on somewhere over the rainbow. But then we do it a little different.
Yeah.
Somewhere under the rainbow, there's a huge GT. He wants to eat my black popper. I will think about it. It's a good start.